Hello, Josh Posh here from the channel 2 Gamers. I'm here again on Valentine's Day, same day as I'm filming the first episode of Color Switch. Right now I'm gonna play Subway Surfers, a fun game. Pretty fun game, very simple, no shooting, no blood, no nothing. So pretty kid appropriate. Pretty much you have to jump over trains and stuff, get coins, new skins. So right now I'm playing with the it's loading very slowly. Right now I'm not connected to the internet. Right now I have the tag bot and I'm really hoping to get the space outfit, which is a copy from my favorite channel. From my favorite movie, the Star Wars. It's a copy of R2-D2. So if you doubt me, please don't, since I'm pretty much a Star Wars expert. I'm using the hoverboard of Starboard. Not so good, but it's okay. Right now I'm playing on World Tour Arabia. I already finished the daily mission and weekly hunt. You might notice Okay, this is freakishly slow. It was faster than this before. Oh, there it goes. Okay, it's faster now. A little bit. I love going on top of those trains. Oh, got battery low. Might have to... Wait, I'm gonna turn on my battery saver. Sorry for the disturbance. I might have to end the video pretty early on. Beat one friend. That's never gonna happen. So I can do something about it. Let's see. Ugh, I don't have enough money. Okay, let's play. Right now, there's an epic jackpot. It will give you like 1,400,000 something coins. So I wasted all my money. Wait, I wasted all my money. Boxes. Look, there. Instead of 1,100,000 coins, I get 1,430,000 coins. A lot, if you ask me. A lot. Hopefully, please let me get it. Please. I'm gonna double it up for 5,000. 5,000. Let's see, guys. What ad is it, I wonder? What? Oh, right. I'm not connected to the internet, so I can't watch ads. Okay. Set the battery. I'm gonna have to end the video very early on. Let's play, guys. Let's play. You might realize that the cop, unlike usually, he's wearing an Arabian hat. Can you see? Oh my God. What is... I was gonna film Clash of Clans or Clash Royale, but since there's no internet, I am gonna have to redo this. Let's see. Oh, here it goes. Please. Special thanks to Yari for showing me this game. I liked it. And I downloaded it. Whew. Filming this on Valentine's Day. Hopefully, I'm gonna get the Mega Jackpot today. New skin. Amira, Genie outfit, Jewel outfit. Lol. You see that red cap on top of the cop's head? That's the Arabian hat. Oh my God. Ooh, Ooh, I love the super sneakers. I can jump over a train, which is actually pretty helpful. Sometimes when you jump, your character gets to do front flips, sometimes even back flips. Once on my tricky with camel pants did a backflip. It was amazing. I called my sister very fast, but it just... Why do they have torches? Come on, it's the 21st century. Get some... Now they have lanterns, and before they had torches. You're joking me. Oop. I hate the traffic signs. What a weird amount of money I just got. 9,989. What a weird amount of money. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna play about 2 more times, then I'm gonna have to end the video because I'm scared that my battery will run out. And in the middle of the video, so it'll just cut off. Oh. Okay. You know what? I'll do one more round. 100 coins. If I don't get 100 coins, I'm redoing this, okay? OMG. Please check out our channel, like and subscribe, please. Please. Your help is really appreciated. Like a lot. Because yeah. Leave in the comments below if you like Lego, because I just love Lego. Me and my sister spend every morning of every day. We wake up and we go play Lego. Leave in the comments below if you like Lego and what your favorite type of Lego is. Thanks for watching, and see you guys next time.